Okay, sorry about the interruption. So here we go to 1. So if we were to rename 1, it would be L. 2 y tu madre, we have a plural, so it's one of these over on that side. Remember, 100% of the time, 2 plus anything except yo is in ustedes, can only sit with. So, let's move down a little bit. Ellos is already a subject pronoun. Inik, la gata, singular. So here's how you walk through it. Are you la gata? No. You see the subject pronoun too? No. So it can only be S. Because if you were to read, it's ella. How about if we rename los estudiantes as ellos? And ellos can only sit with son. Ella is already a subject pronoun, and it can only sit with Maria, singular or plural. She's singular, so it's something from the first column. Are you Maria? Do you see the subject pronoun too? No. So it's S again. Nosotras is already a subject pronoun, and we like a puzzle. You got to figure them out. Two's already a subject pronoun. Mi padre y yo, remember 100% of the time. Okay? Because we're given a name, we're going to leave it a name. Yo. So plural, you're one of them. Again, we've been doing sentences forever. We're just going to kind of formalize it. They girls is AS. AS can only sit with son. De Chicago. You are from here. See, here's a case. We're just going to use it for emphasis. Tú eres de aquí. Oh, the computer vocab. Singular, plural is singular. Es de Seattle. Remember, S is a cognate. Looks like it is. Do we need we? Somos de St. Anne. And the next thing you need to know is how to make them negative, and you already know this. If you're going to put a pronoun O, that yo, no, S. So right in front of the verb. I don't know why that's skipping. Okay, so your negative word right in front of the verb. One, no, S. There'll be a part of that on the final.